Hey, all right, what's going on, YouTube fam? Welcome back to another YouTube stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Let me guys know if the chat, if you can hear me all good, if you can hear me through my AirPods all good. Rami, what's going on, man? Good to have you back in the chat. We get some good trades today. We'll let a few more people join. I'm just jumping on a little bit early this morning. See if we get some pre-London volume, because we do have FOMC today. However, I'm looking to hopefully catch some nice positions with you guys, so we're going to see if we can get that volume. Antonio, what's going on, man? Good to have you back. Hope you're doing well. I'm just sitting here in Koh Samui, at a little coffee shop, sipping on that iced coffee, crushing the charts with the boys. Looking to have a good session today. Let me just tell a few more people we're jumping on. Also, guys on YouTube, let me know if the music is too loud as well. There's in a coffee shop and the music's pretty bassy, but hopefully it's not too loud for you guys. Trading on the go. But yeah, plan of action today. Hopefully look for some trades on gold. We've got FOMC later. Hopefully look for some positions on pound yen and euro yen as well. They're the only pairs I'm going to be really watching for today. Let me just share the day trading strat with you guys as well, so you can all know what we're doing. Cool. All right. Brian, what's going on, man? Good to have you in the chat. It's all good. Thank you, Antonio, man. Thank you, man. All right, let's get that in there. Sweet. All right, let me just let the Zoom guys in. Already. Sweet. Oh, shit. I didn't mean to do that, Jimmy. I should ask you to unmute. You'd have to unmute that. What's going on, boys? Back again. All right, let me start sharing my screen. YouTube fam, get us to 3 more likes to 10 likes and I'll start sharing my screen. Let me just let more people join. Oh, here he is. I can't actually. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah. Sweet. Cool. I've been focusing solely on New York and the 1 minute. Just came to say hi. I appreciate it, Rami. Thank you for tuning in, man. Michael, let's get that bread. Absolutely. 11 likes, YouTube fan. Appreciate it. All right, let me start sharing my screen with you guys. Boom. All right, let's do it. Let me just bring this up a little bit, so we can get the logo there properly. Nice. All right, sweet. All right, let me just start. I'm going to start doing some whole brand new top-down analysis right now on gold. Let me just clear everything up for a second. So, gold, let me see, is my mic still on? Yeah, cool. Gold on the daily time frame has been in this incredible range since the 17th of April, which has just been absolutely huge, just bouncing off this resistance, bouncing off this support, failing to break either way. And then yesterday we had that huge news on gold, and now we finally closed back above 2,000. So as long as gold trades above 2,000, I'm looking for swinging back up to the highs. Only concern today is with gold is that we do have FOMC later on, so we're going to be a bit more cautious and potentially quicker scalps. Now, on the 4-hourly, I believe today we could come down and retrace some of this move. If we take on a fib from these lows to these highs, and we even just come down to at least 50%, which pretty much lines up with that 2,000 level quite well. Like this, if we put on 2,000, so we got 2,000 sitting around that 50%, sitting right around this resistance where we faked out, broke above, haven't quite come back down to retest. That's noisy. So yeah, basically plan of action today for London is to come and retrace some of this move before then potentially going higher later in the US. Now, hourly levels on gold, let me just clean this up a bit. We kind of got this little level here, that resistance, we got this support down here. Hourly just closed pretty strong pre-London at 5 a.m. So if anything, pretty soon, I think we could start looking for some shorts on gold. Get a quick little scalp here on gold. We kind of got this little intraday support here. Failed to close below just yet. No top wick on this current 30. So only 5 minutes into this candle, so this could easily grab the previous 30 and then still wick back up. So I think if we get a nice closure here, maybe on the 15 or 30, I would like to take gold short down into like this support here for a potential 100 pip move. Um, mm, yeah, true that, true that. Yeah, man. Forex with Sam in the building. Your next coffee on me and Bali. You're the goat. Hey, appreciate it, Sam. Good to see you on that YouTube grind as well, man. Get on them YouTube streams. Everyone go check out Forex with Sam. Another good dude. Good dude doing good things in the industry, man. But yeah, how's this 5 going to close on gold? Let me just see. Oh, nice strong. Did we grab any highs? Not really. So maybe we'll drive down into support, 10 pips. What would the stops be? I'm not going to take this just yet, but let's just see. The stops would be around 14 pips. You'd have to go break even around 5, take it down into here. My only concern is that we haven't liquidated any highs just yet. That music's really fucking loud. Excuse my French. Let me just get up my MT4 ready, just in case we have to take a quick snipe soon. How is the... Let's have a look. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look at the 15. How is the previous 15? Yeah, I kind of need a 15 closure. 15's rejecting. I mean, if you had a sell stopper now, you wouldn't get... My only concern is you'd probably, if you took this, so you have to be break even at here because we could grab these lows on the 30 and go higher. I'll wait for the 15 because if we still get if this 15 breaks below this, then I still think we get another 15 top wick and then we take it down. Whilst we are waiting for gold on this 15, let's break down pound yen as well. Oh no, this is that trade I had drawn up this morning. Oh, that would have been an Asian banger. Into that support, what was that? 30? Running now 50. Damn. Let's break GJ down. Let's do a little bit top down on GJ so we see where we're going today. Oh, GJ. GJ closed very, very bearish yesterday. A big solid push after grabbing some daily highs as well. 4 hourly though, 4 hourly to me looks like we could still come up and retrace, maybe grab this 4 hour high here, retest some of these levels before then going lower. So maybe this is a false London move down before then a potential push back up. So I kind of like to see on GJ today, a little retrace in London and a little push lower today. And that would correlate with that USD weakness as well, USD weakness, yen strength. 15, yeah, not really grabbed any highs. This is kind of the little mini Asia level I was watching today. Broke that level, created that top wick. Actually would have been a really nice little Asia play there. That's all good. What would that be? 10 pip stop loss. Playing it down to too busy watching gold. That was a nice little flip there. Let me see a chart. Goldie. Yeah, that would be nice. Look at that 5 on gold now. Yeah. Yeah, I hate when that happens. That's a nice little fake out there. Look at that. Fake out. Gold liquidated them highs. grab them highs, little fake out there, nice evening star formation there. Come back up and retrace some of this move, and then potential to go lower. Um, hmm, Look at that 5 fake out. Yeah, I agree. I agree. If you get a little 5 minute fake out confirmation here, how many pips you got? 15 pips back up into this level. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Um, FOMC and switch it, but hey, 5 minutes good trade basically, right? Yeah, FOMC later on today, and then you got NFP on Friday as well. So gold is going to be very, very tricky today. That huge push yesterday, break above 2,000, is massive. So I kind of would like to focus more on yen pairs today. But if gold does give the setup, I also wouldn't mind taking it. Look at that 5 minute flip now on gold. Come back up 16 pips into them highs. Spoke too soon. What would that be? Stops would be 12 pips, only up into there. 20 pips, not bad. You wouldn't take that though. You'd probably you have a little buy stop there on gold. Stops would be around 13 pips. It's a risky one. Oh, not 13, fucking 100. 13. Because this, this 15 is looking like we could rip high. How's the hourly looking? Yeah, hourly's too bearish to go against that just yet. I do think the 15 minute will just have a little potential pull up into this high. It's only 10 pips, not really worth trading. Yeah. Yeah. Mess. Your trader's still with you, or you traveling alone? Yeah, they're still with us. Man, we got me, Alan, Mark, and Joe in the coffee shop right now. They're just sitting opposite me. They're just on Zoom as well. We're here till Sunday, so that'll be just over 2 weeks now. We've been on the trading retreat. Alan's staying. Luke's in the house. How's it going, man? Yeah, good, man. Good. Um, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I do have beef with gold. Gold owes me pips. Um, yeah, I think we go low today. We just like grabbed these highs. The hourly's flipped so bearish. I'm just wondering if we like retrace some of this before then going lower. But I think on the hourly we can like come back down and retest like either here or all the way back down at 2,000, which is like all the way back at this. So let me go 4 hourly. Take like a big fib like this. come back and retrace like 50% of this move, maybe pre-London, get some trickle down, maybe 30, even 30%, lines up nicely with that 2000 before then potentially going higher. 4 hourly previously was incredibly bearish after wicking out all these highs, still closed back below this resistance, so it was a lovely stop hunt. The hourly is also now flipped bearish, so I do want to sell it. I would like to sell gold. Thoughts on using RSI and stochastic? Not for me, man. I used like RSI when I very first started trading, but it honestly brings me no value to my trading. Only time I've seen RSI be somewhat profitable is if you use it in divergence sensors, but it's not for me, man. If you just trade RSI in terms of like overbought, oversold, it can sit in that motherfucker for ages. But for divergence, it's not bad. It's not for me, but it's not bad. It's a way to trade for sure. But I'm more about my clean charts, clean price action, clean volume and levels and liquidity grabs. Yeah, we just had a little look, man. I had a nice little Asia play drawn up. I was too busy watching gold. I had this nice level here, and I was looking for that 15 there, like this. Rode that level, came up for a little nice top wick after liquidating these highs here. I was too busy watching gold this morning, like this. Grabbed that high, 5 minute close back above. See this little resistance support, broke top wick on the 15, sell stop below, stops above 11 pips. Where I would have played it maybe first TP at 20, run it down to 30. But in terms of newer trades for today, I think my chart loads. I think we could come back up and retrace some of this before going lower. I think we can maybe come back up, retest these levels, and then drop even lower. So, if anything, gold shorts, pound yen longs today is the plan of action. What about you, man? What are you looking at? Anything jumping out for you? Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah. Yeah, I think that'd be nice, man. I think that'd be nice. Look at gold going now. Look at that 15 on gold just rejected. How's this 5 minute looking? If we get a strong 5 close here back below this level, I really want to short it. Yeah, stops would be, so we just grabbed this low. See, the 15 still hasn't broken the support yet. Stops would be around 16 pips. See, 7 pips to there, 38 to there. I don't know how you blokes can use laptops. I use a bloody TV screen, I still have trouble. I got a pretty, I got like the biggest Mac, and I have a portable monitor with me as well, so I can have two screens. But don't get me wrong, I definitely miss my big screen at home, but I like the laptop style, man. If I need two screens, I still have two screens as well. But if I'm just watching like one or two uh, instruments, then it's not too bad. But yeah, I do have a portable monitor that I use sometimes, but when I'm just in the coffee shop, I just got my trading view open. Let me go. We got 1 more minute to this five's going to close. How's it going? Oh man. Oh, this gold is pushing pretty hard. No, not yet. What was that? It'd still be 35 pips. I needed to pull back up now. 5 minutes faked out of this level, below, broke back above, now broken back below. If we can come back up, I will consider selling gold, and my stop will be around 25 pips. I think I'll probably have it maybe around this high, around 18. We got 10 more minutes to this hourly's going to close as well. This hourly's looking really nice. Top wick, break of the low. Yeah, this hourly's looking good. Even if you're just taking the break of that hourly low, stops would have been too big. 30 pips. Let's see. I think this is nice. I don't really want to take a retest entry. $38 pips down into there. So we've still got this little double bottom here as well. Yeah, that's the thing. You got to go break even quite quick. I'm not shorting this just yet. I'm just trying to look at the risk reward, trying to assess. 5 minutes closed, really bearish. Trading below our support. Support. Little fake out, break above. Now break back below. 15-minute. That's my only concern, is the 15 hasn't closed below this level, and this current 15 has just grabbed all of these lows with no top wick. Let's see. I'm considering taking a... Yeah, 4 hours, really nice. Yeah, really nice. Yeah. Let me see. What would stops be? Stops would be up here. Is this candle 5 just flipping bearish? Yeah, look at that. You gotta be break even at 10 pips. Tricky gold. How long we got? 2 more minutes. This five's gonna close. That's the thing. We have to be break even right here. And I don't want us to just do like this and then this and then this. I'm gonna wait. Full margin. Surely we couldn't go full margin. It's true. Because I do still think gold's going to go lower. How's the hourly looking? Does the hourly need to grab anything? Yeah, hourly's broken the support. This was the retest. We shouldn't need to come back above this previous hourly. We're trading. Let me just bring this line down a little bit. Trading below here now. We're going to get a closure below here. If we get a closure below here on this hourly, we should have a nice drive all the way back down to here for like potential 40 pips. Liquidate the highs, come down, liquidate where these lows are, grab this little double bottom. Yeah, I think this is nice. I really want to short this. I really want to short. It looks nice to me. This is shaping up well. We got 40 seconds till this five's going to close. 31 people in the building. YouTube fam, remember drop a little like for the stream. We'll get them hippies on gold today. If this current 5 minute closes bearish and the next 5 minute can grab the previous 5 minute high and then flip down, that would be beautiful. Yeah, I think so. 20 pip stop. Yeah. This is the last, coming into the last 5 minutes of this hourly as well. So I think I'm going to not be too aggressive, and I think I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close. Sorry. Let's monitor the 15. If this hourly does break this support though, the hourly could then still, come up, give us that top wick, and then have a nice drive down. There'll be a lot of drama on gold. Been trading at 2014. Check the 15. Bring the jump to 18. Yeah, gold's at a huge level now, man. Gold's at a massive level. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Let's just see. How's this 5 minute just closed? If this 5 minute is just clear, 5 minutes closed in doji. If this 5 minute can come up and get kicked out. Thank you. I'm getting kicked out. I'm not even. We've only just got started, love, and you're already kicking me out. Ooh, if gold, yeah, if this 5 minute can, if we can grab this, I'm gonna put in the sell stop. Trying to charge me more because they've seen I'm trading gold. Yeah, she was like, "What's good? What's going on there? What are you selling gold? Full margin?" Yeah, I saw that. She'll come back to get the cash, and he's like, "Have you got the sell stop in yet, sir?" Oh, we just grabbed that previous 5 minute higher. Yes, we have. Look at that. Very nice. Very, very nice. Yeah. Yeah. My only concern is getting triggered in, then the hourly has to create a top weight before going lower. That's my only concern. We're coming that close to that hourly close now. Ron, put your stream on the big screen in the bar. Jack, no, not yet, man, not yet. I'll tell you now. I'll let you guys know when I do put it in. But this will be the setup, so you can have it drawn on your MT4, just so you know, locked and risk, whatever, ready to go just in case. But this hourly is about to break below our key support, which is nice. So I still think we even just come and grab this hourly low. The hourly close always gives big retracement on gold. Yeah, it does, man. That's the thing, especially at London Open as well, like you say. So if this does break the support, the hourly, you never know. The hourly could still come back up and grab the previous hourly high before then going low. So I'm just going to wait for this hourly to close. But if this keeps closing like this and we close back above this support, then we will reassess. Let's just have a look at GJ just in case we don't miss anything. Yeah, hourly could be nice. Look at that. GJ grabbing the previous hourly low. If GJ can start to throw some signs of bullishness, I will wait for a closure back above here, and I'll take GJ back up into some levels up here for like potential 80 pips. Look at that, Holly. How's this 5 looking on Goldie? We're going to get that close soon. Oh, yes, 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 yes. On my broker, it hasn't grabbed the previous 5-minute high. Let me see. How's this? This is going to close nice here. I'm getting ready to potentially put this in. I'm just skeptical of the hourly top wick, that's all. How's the 15 looking? 15's looking okay. 30, 30's looking nice. I'm still scared of grabbing these highs. Oh, there you go. Yeah, I'm putting this in. I'm putting this in on gold now. Oh no! Wait, that 5-minute just fucking closed bullish out of nowhere. Wait, on my broker it did. That's weird. Okay, I'm gonna put golden. All right, I got this gold. I got this gold in. Just see how this is gonna flip now. This is nice. This is the hourly top wick before grabbing the hourly lows, which is what we want. So if this comes all the way up and grabs this high first, then amazing. We don't get triggered into the sells just yet. But I got this sell stop in on gold below the previous hourly low. Hourly's fully now broken our support. Now retesting. Let's see if we can get that nice volume. By the way, I used to stream. I did it for a year. Hey, nice man, nice. I'll check out the channel. I caught that insane short on GA yesterday. Oh yeah, was that with the Australian news with them rate hikes again. Depending on how this 5-minute is going to close, I would consider an aggressive entry like this. 10 pips down into these lows. Yeah. Hello, Aaron. Hello, Joe. What's going on, man? YouTube fam, one more like for 20 likes. 20 likes. Get that volume. Come on, man. Get it in. Do I have to like my own stream as well? I think I do. Good man. There we go. I got to give it a like as well. You got to like your own stream. Yeah, look at this 4 hourly on gold. How long we got to this close? I think at 10 a.m. Yeah, ages. Yeah. Yeah, something like that. I think that's it. And share what I know about this bloody gold. Yeah, send me a message on Instagram, man. Drop me a little message. Drop me a message. 26 likes. Look at that. Very, very good. Gold. Yeah. Who's that? Holy Jesus. That was noisy. Let's not do that. Yeah, if this 15 can flip and we just get that nice volume, we could have a really nice drive here. We just need that volume. But if we don't break this 15 low and this current 15 closes bullish, then we just cancel the order and we wait. But I'm going to have to manage risk right here. As soon as we grab this low, I'm going to start to, I probably won't go break even because it won't be enough room, but I will have to start to manage risk. But if this 5 minute closes above, then we just wait. And that's why we don't take these retest entries, because now we'd be sitting in drawdown. So we wait for the breaks, the lows. If we don't break the lows, then we don't take the trade, and we don't take the L. Roger, I just got your message, man. I'll reply to you after this stream. I'll check out the channel as well, man. Send me it on Instagram. I'll check it out, bro. How much does she want from me? 160 baht. Jesus. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna. How long we got? I got this 5 minutes just closed back above our level, so I'm gonna cancel this order for now. Okay. Sell stop is out, and I will only put it back in once we close back below this 5 minute level. What do you want? 160. 100. The best I can do is 120. It's the best. And until I make bank on gold, I unfortunately cannot pay for the coffee, so. All right, man. You get that. Yeah, this 15 is looking really nice. If this 5 minute can split back bearish, I'm going to put it in straight away. 15's looking real nice. Yeah, I like that. I like that. You could even consider the current 15. I'm just a bit skeptical that you get tagged in and it doesn't drop. If this 5 minute re-breaks this low, you can get in with like a 10 pip stop loss, which is well worth the risk. Not mentioning any names. Oh, this 5 minute is re-breaking the previous 5 minute low. So if this has a big flip and does actually close bearish, I'm going to put in the exact same trade in a second. Yes, Owlie's looking really nice. If this 5 minute closes, flips bearish, I might just market execute. Let's see how long you got. You got 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes. Yeah, I'll still probably give it like maybe a 20 pip, 19 pip stop. Let's see. It's looking like it's going to be another fake out of that level. How many pips then would you have down into here? 10, not huge, but not bad. 30 if you can catch a nice quick runner as well. How long we got? 2 more minutes. 2 more minutes and I'm about to put this in. Yeah, this 15 is about to flip bearish as well. As long as if this 5 minute closes back below this body, I'm just going to market execute. We got 1 more minute. Yeah, 1 more minute. How's that 1 minute looking? Little 1 minute sell below. Yeah, we're going 1 minute now. We're going to the 1 minute. Little miniature 1 minute head and shoulders there. Let's go make some moolah. Yes, Ali. Trader, yes, bro. In Australia, I live in Australia, but at the minute I am in Koh Samui in Thailand. But yeah, I live in Australia. 12 pip stop. Let me go to the 1 minute on my. I can fly. Stop would be here. Oh, how's that five? Is that 5 minutes left awake? Did it break the previous low? I don't think it did. 5 minute is fucking dodgy. Yeah. Yeah, I've just put this in. I've got this sell stop in now. Sell stop in below the previous 5 minute low, stops above the highs for around 12 pips. And if this current five doesn't flip bearish, then this is the last five of the 15. And if it just pushes higher, then the 15 will leave a wick to go higher, then we won't get triggered. But if we re-break this 5 minute low, I think we have a nice drive. So I'll put a sell stop in here on the previous five. Good luck with your trades. Thank you, man. Thank you. I'm in Dubai. Hey, nice, man. Nice. Very nice. Bali versus Thailand for a trader. I've never been to Bali, man. I've never been. I'd like to go to Bali, but I've never been. But I love Thailand, man. Thailand's got great trading times. It's cheap, good weather, good food. Thailand's good. Thailand's very good. Like it's 1:10 now in Thailand, so we've kind of had all morning to chill and do our thing. And now we're going to trade London for a little bit. If we catch a move, then we close the laptop by like 3 o'clock. We're done for the day. If we don't, we're going to trade a little bit US. Then we pop up the laptop at like 6 o'clock again. There's a little miniature 1 minute head and shoulders there on gold. Classic wild gold post. American holiday. Yeah, gold's going to be tricky today. FOMC later. That's why I want to take a little scalp, and I don't want to neglect GJ. But I need GJ to close back above here, and I'll look for longs on GJ. Let me see how this 5 minutes going to close. So it's the last five of the 15. So if we can get some nice volume on Goldie in this current 15, it's broken this level, just wicked out this top. So if this current 15 can close below this previous 15, we should get a nice drive. If it doesn't, then that's fine. But yeah, gold is overall very, very messy. I'm probably going to be tagged in this now. Let's see. Yeah, I'm in gold. I am in. Let's get it. I am in. This 5 minute can break these lows. I will, as soon as we come into this level, I'm going to be managing. Spreads are hovering me around about break even now. Ron, that's fucking amazing. How do I save that? That's fucking quality. Let me send that to my phone. Fuck, that's quality. So Neil start going wild. Why can't I send that to my phone? There you go. If gold closes like this in the 5 minute, I'll cut it break even. For me, this current 5 on gold has to close with a big body. I have to see it close like this. If it doesn't close like this, I'll cut it straight away. So let's just see. That's fucking amazing. That could be the. I was literally just about to say that. It could be the new thumbnail. As soon as it hits TP, we'll get them all screaming. How long we got? We got 30 more seconds to this five's going to close. If it closes like this, I'm honestly going to cut it instantly. I have to follow the rules. The rules are if we don't close below the previous 15, then we wait for a little bit more because we could be liquidating this low to potentially go higher. So I need a nice body close here in the next 19 seconds. Is gold going to do what it does and have the last move in the last couple of seconds, or is it going to pull up? Let's see. That's amazing. Let me show you guys on YouTube what Ron in the Zoom just made. I'm gonna put my stops to break even. I put my stops to break even. I'm probably gonna get tagged at break even. I'm getting ready. It's probably gonna stop me. This 15 didn't break this previous 15. Yeah, no. Spread's got me out there. Yeah, the 15 didn't close. It didn't close below this previous low. Just wicked out. So that's why we're now having a push back up. It's still not off the cards yet because the 30 still could flip bearish. But the fact that the 15 didn't close, the bodies didn't close below this 15 low, kind of leaving a little 3-pin pattern here is the reason that I had to cut it instantly. So a very quick break even there. Would have been sitting in almost 5 pips drawdown now, almost 50% of our stops. So good to quickly cut that. I think I cut that maybe minus, what was that? Minus 120, which is not bad. Let's see. It's not off the cards yet. Let me show you guys on YouTube what Ron's just made. You guys can see. Hourly bearish breaking the lows. Yeah, the hourly still makes sense. That's why I still want to be monitoring because the hourly has still broken my level. Hourly's liquidate the highs, bearish, close below this low. I'm just skeptical that we could come and grab the previous hourly before going lower. That was we can maybe wick up this and then come down. But I'm still keeping shorts on the cards. So let me just delete that one now. If this current 5 had left a nice juicy body, I would still be in this. But the fact that it wicked the highs and then wicked the lows, didn't close below this minus support, I'm just got to be a little bit more. But if we can't break this low again, then I still think we still get this drive. So I'm not going to put it in just yet. I'm going to wait to see how this 5 is going to go. But gold shorts still makes sense until the 15 or 30 closes back above this level. Gold is still bearish. And that's kind of what you have to do with the 5 minute. You can get so chopped up on the 5 minute and so lost in direction, but as long as you've got that 15, 30 and hourly bias in place, 5 minute is purely for execution. And this is why this 5 was so key, because this was the last 5 of the 15. That's why I monitor the 5 that closely. When it's the last 5 of the 15, the 30 or hourly, that's when that 5 is so important to me. Until then, most 5s are just noise and just purely for entry. Look at that hourly pushing back up now. So our original entry was here and would have now been sitting in almost 10 pip drawdown. So not huge drawdown, but still would have been sitting in drawdown. Most important thing was seeing it from the neutral perspective and cutting it straight away. Trend is short-term sells. Yeah, I agree, man. I agree. I think the 4 hourly can have a really nice retracement. Even just to come and, maybe quickly retest these highs today, still 30 pipperoonies. which I am all for. Ryad, good to see you as well, man. Good to have you back on the stream. This lady needs to come back with a drink menu because I am sweating out here. Yeah, I might get a little bite. I may grab this geezer's attention. Where's my mate going? Hey. Excuse me. Mother. Mate, I'm trying to make Hank on Gold and I'm trying to order the menu. He doesn't realise the pressure I'm under here. Let me put my shoes on. I'm just going to order a drink quick. How's this 5 minute going to close? Have we got 5 more seconds? This 5's going to close. I'm going to quickly grab a menu. Oh, can you order it? Is there a QR code? Oh, I should sign up. Oh yeah, thank you, man. Look at that. What a man. What a nice guy. Grabbing the menu for me. Tell her you're a YouTube superstar. Oh, look at that. Thank you. You want to say hello to everyone on YouTube? You can get famous, you know. Hey, where are you? Wait. There you are. How many trades a day and week do you do? Typically, I'd say 1 to 2 trades a day on average. Sometimes less, sometimes more. Oh, she's looking at me. I've not even looked at the menu yet, lad. Today that was the first trade of the week. Yeah, I was really close to missing this trade yesterday on gold. Where was it? 5 minute yesterday in London. I almost sniped gold for a quick 25 pips yesterday. Where's yesterday in London? Tuesday. Was it down here? Oh, what day is it today? Yeah, Tuesday. It was down here on the 5. I can't see it now. Oh, here. This is what I was trying to take yesterday. This little 15 pip scalp up in to grab these highs. Sorry, 25 pips. This is what I tried to take yesterday, but it happened that quick. I couldn't even put it in. But I was looking to long gold into liquidating these highs here. After that 5 minute grab below, closed bullish. I wanted to put this buy stop in, stops below this low for like 8 pips. Would have been a banger starts the week, but yeah, it just happened too quick. So this break even today has actually been my first trade. Hey, look at that management on gold now. That was our original entry. Original entry was here. We're about to get stopped out. Great management. What's the largest win and loss you've copped in a day? Probably back in my early days when I would have blown my account in a day. Easy. But now that I know what I'm actually fucking doing in terms of risk management, only ever 1 to 2% max. 1 to 2% max will I really risk. But yeah, back in the day I've blown my account on gold before. Yeah. I don't want to get so obsessed with gold. We missed GJ, so how's GJ looking? If we get a nice strong 30, yeah, we could look for longs on GJ because GJ's respected this support, liquidated these lows, so we get a nice close here. I think we get a nice drive up on GJ. A nice move. Nice move. Hi, Aaron. So the reason you closed the trade in break even is because the 15 candle didn't close below. Yeah. So I'll show you the reason, because this was again really good management. So I had entry. So I had a sell stop in below this low here, like this, with my stops above here, like around 12 pips, say. And the reason I cut it is because I wanted the 15 to close with a nice big body closing below. See this little minor support like this? If you just take it like this, like here, and if you drag it all the way across like this, see here, all of this, you can even see all the way back here. This is a very key level on gold. So if gold had closed below there and then reverse like this, I'd be sitting in drawdown, and I'd be happy to sit in drawdown because I stuck to my rules. But the fact that gold didn't close below there and didn't close below the previous 15 showed me that it might not be ready yet. And until it closes below that level, I simply can't take the trades. So as soon as that closed, quick stops to break even, spreads got me a break even, and now we're pushing back up. So if I hadn't have cut it at break even, I'd be sitting in minus 10 pips and almost hitting stop loss on gold. So yeah, very, very good management there. All right, let me just order a drink. What do I want? All right. Yeah, look at that now on golds. We would have been stopped out there on golds. And the reason that we're still looking for sells on gold is because the hourly has broken this resistance, broke support. The hourly has liquidated the previous hourly highs. Nice strong back down, closed below this level. And as I said early on in this candle, I'm still skeptical that gold could grab this previous hourly high before then potentially having that rollover. Yeah, sweet man. Yeah, look at that 5 minute now. Now that 5 minutes closing back up on gold. Yeah, great management. We would have been stopped out there, so it's very, very good break even there. Seeing that market from that neutral perspective as always. Yeah, I mean, if the 30 can flip back bullish, then we may look for longs, or we may just focus on GJ. Oh man, I am absolutely sweating. Why is the only fan that's not working mine? I took a. They said until you make pips on golds, we're not giving you the fan. You reckon GJ is due a trundle north for a bit? Yeah, I think GJ can have a pullback. I think GJ can retrace some of this move yesterday before going lower. On the 4 hourly, yeah, 4 hourly, I think GJ is going to go lower, but it wouldn't surprise me. Look at that. We just wicked out the previous 4 hour. So if we can get some nice volume, if we can come in and retrace some of this before then going lower, I would scalp it up and then potentially take it back down later on. All right, where's my lady going? Hello. Can I get a mango and passion fruit frappe, please? Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Give me my money back on it, babe, if you don't want me to. She knew I took a break even, so she gave me my money back. She was like, I don't think you can afford it yet. Yeah. Alan's down there. Mark and Joe are inside somewhere. Ooh, look at this. This 15 on gold. It's getting too close to the end, but this 15 could be liquidating this previous 15 high before then going back lower. It's going to be interesting to see if this 15 closes back above the support. Selling EU. Nice, man. I'll take a look at EU in a second. But yeah, ideally, I want a nice, strong 15 on GJ to then take it higher. Ideally. Yeah, that's hot. Your BE is probably half our salary. Hey, I wish, man. I took a little loss there at that break even. I wish. 30 minute on GJ wants to leave it slow, but still, yeah, 30 minute on GJ. Well, the 4 hour is looking nice on GJ, but it's still got like ages left. Yeah, see, we've liquidated this low here, but I need this 30 to close nice and strong in order for me to want to consider that reversal back up. Yeah, because it is still bearish. Yeah, maybe we could still come down, retest some of these levels before then doing that. But like, yeah, I got there first. Yeah, we could still maybe retest that level first. Let's just put it to the bodies like this. Possible, possible. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, very good. Um, Gold. Oh, look at this one, gold. Pushing higher. Great break even there. Great management. Look at that 30 is about to flip back bullish. Maybe a little fake out of this support to potentially run the highs. Support. Fake out. Look what we did last time we faked out. Bullish, bearish. Came all the way back down for like 20. If this 30 re-breaks this previous 30 high, this could be very, very interesting. Oh shit. Um, mm, mm. Yeah, how's that 15 just close? Right, we just got that 30 and 15 close on gold. See, it's strong, but I don't really want to trade it in this range. So you've got 15 pips up into there, but now stops are going to have to be like 20. Stops are a bit too big. GJ, how's that 30 close on GJ? A little wick to the highs. That's okay. We can wait. One break even so far today. That's okay. We got time. Um, yeah, EU, please. Yes, man. Let me take a look at EU for you. Euro USD. Only thing is with US dollar pairs, we do have to be very careful with that FOMC today. All right, let's go daily on EU. Daily's wicked out some lows, closed back above this little support. We've also, let me just delete everything on EU actually. Let's start again. Let's go from scratch. Got this little support there. We've got this resistance here. Daily's trapped within this range. 4 hourly on an intraday perspective. We could probably maybe grab some highs first before I shorten EU. Because we've liquidated the lows, strong push-ups, so maybe we'll come and grab the highs, and then maybe just, in terms of just playing the range, I think if anyone is trying to short EU right now, they're probably trying to do something like this, looking for this big play. So for me, potential could run up into these levels before then having that push back down. Or we could just continue breaking higher. I would only short it once price closed back below this level, and then you can take something like this. You could maybe take something like that, stops above the liquidity grab. But yeah, I think anyone trying to short EU is doing something like this. You may have some liquidity sitting just above there, like that. But that was a nice little run up on EU, little fake out there. 40 pips. Oh, look at gold, man. Look at gold. Yeah, I know. Thank you. Thank you. Um, yeah, gold's still pushing. I don't let gold run. I don't really care. I'm glad that we took the break even. Some good shit. Smoothie. Very nice. Also, let's not forget that gold is still bearish on the hourly. The hourly's not closed yet, and the hourly is now wicking out that previous hourly high, which is what we could say is possible. So if gold can start to flip bearish and close back below here, then we've got an even bigger drive. I think we get a really big play. So if this hourly on gold can look like it's starting to close back below this level, I think we get a really, really big push here. Yeah, look. Mm, yeah, this could still be interesting on gold. I will probably wait for the 5 minutes to close back below this level, and as soon as it does, I think we get a really big drive. I think we get a really, really big drive. Taking short on gold for sell side, nice man, nice. I'm looking for the same. As soon as we get a nice closure, and I'll look for the same. I won't short it yet because I won't trade it in this range. I won't trade it in here, but if we can break back below, amazing. I'll trade that. Only because in this range is where you get a lot of manipulation like this. But then once you break out, amazing, you get the drive to the next level. But then as soon as you go back into this range, and you just go boom, 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 boom. So I will wait for like this, and then a nice play. 15, yeah, 15 could be nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice vibe, isn't it? Let's have a look at let's have a look at EJ actually. See what EJ's up to. Euro yen. Daily, I'm assuming was bearish. Yeah. 4 hourly bearish. Hourly. Grab the lows. Yep. Nice bounce. Oh, still bearish for now. What did you get to eat? George is entering 5. Yeah, I'm still liking the fact that gold could come lower. We've just now grabbed all of these highs. We are retesting this level that we broke and hadn't quite retested. As soon as we get a strong 5-minute closure, I would really like to sell gold. Not yet though, not yet, but I'd like to sell gold. That's okay, we got time. We got time. YouTube guys, feel free to ask over any questions whilst we wait for some positions. Wait for some trades. Two more minutes to this 5's going to close on gold. If it breaks back above this level, you can see a drive back up into these highs. How many massages have you had this week? I'd always be on the table if I went there. We had like 2 last week. I got pretty sunburned. We had like a massage of fucking aloe vera. It was amazing. The massages here are amazing. Is your pita thing good, Alan? Is it? I'll try it. I'm quite hungry. What time is it? 1 p.m. Half 1. That's right, we got time. For you guys here on YouTube as well, I'm going to start vlogging this week as well for the Costa movie trip. Michael. Which is your broker? Blueberry Markets, man. Blueberry Markets. Michael, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that means. Michael's trying to get me banned from YouTube. Right, gold's about to close in 5 minutes. Oh, look at this. 5 minutes about to flip nice and bearish. Go on, give us a nice close here. Give us a nice close here, gold. And I'm going to take some risky sells because the stop loss would be very, very nice. Stop loss is only 10 pips. And we've got 5 more minutes. That 15 is going to go. I never sell stop here on Goldie. Let me see if I can get this in time. 5 minute. Alright, I got sell stop here on gold on this 5 minute. Below the previous 5 minute low, stop losses around 10 pips. Because if we re-break this high, then that's not a true liquidity grab and we could go higher. If we don't flip bearish in this current 5, then we don't get triggered. So I want to see this respect the previous 5 and have a nice drive down. Basically anticipating that this hourly is still going to flip bearish after grabbing the previous hourly high. And the reason that I've said I'm not going to trade this range, but now I am happy to, is because the stop loss is that tight that 10 pips risk is very, very worth it for me. Now that we've had this really nice liquidity grab. 30 is leaving a nice wick. 15 is going to close in 5 minutes as well. If the 5 minute read breaks this level and closes above, then I'll cancel the order. I want this current 5 to flip bearish because that's going to be the last 5 of the 15. Stay focused. You haven't earned your lunch yet. No, not yet, man. Not yet. I'm trying to get them pips. The more food I'm ordering, the more the bill's racking up and the less pips I've got. So you've got to pay for this bill somehow. Have you ever been to India? No, man, never. Never, ever been to India. Never been. If gold, this 5 re-breaks these highs, we will look to cancel the order. That's why I take the sales below. If we don't break the low, then we don't take the trade and we don't take the loss. If this 5 minute can flip bearish, amazing. So this 5 minute is the key. And if we close back above this level, then we could see a drive up into these highs, and I won't trade this range because it's only 16 pips. Whereas this downside on gold, risk to reward times, even down into here now, makes it much, much worth it. Oh, we're going to re-break these highs. If we do, I'm cancelling this order. All right, I'm watching on my broker for now, just in case. Marks entered. How long we got? I've got 2 more minutes till this candle's going to close. One more minute. Yeah. If this current 5 doesn't close even remotely bearish, I will wait. To be honest, I don't want this 5 to at least break this high. I don't really want it to break this high. So how long we got? We got 50 more seconds. Has to flip bearish in the next 50 seconds, otherwise I'm going to cancel the order again. And we just wait. We got to be very aggressive with our management today on gold with that FOMC later. We got to manage aggressively. GJ is getting closer, shaping up nicely. EU, anyone shorting is coming up to stop hunt them highs. The next place I would consider shorts is like maybe around here. I think this is a nice level. I've got 4 more seconds. 4 more seconds, I'm going to cancel the order. There you go, cancel. I'm cancelling. Okay, cancelled the order. Let me just see how this 15 has just closed. Strong, I think. Yeah, still pretty strong. Yeah, 15 still strong on gold. I'm going to wait for a little bit more. A little bit more. 30 still has the potential to flip bearish. Say potential very lightly because it's a little bit choppy at the minute. But the reason I'm cancelling the order is now because if we're going to now have a push higher, we're probably going to come and grab these 5 minute lows before doing that. So you don't want to keep the sell stop in because you don't want to get triggered and then go straight to stop loss. So that's the reason I'm just going to cancel the order and just wait for price to show me a little bit more. How much percent on average do you make per month? I know it's private info, but I'm just interested to see if my expectations right. Between like 5 to 10, sometimes maybe 12. Last month was a slow month with all the Easter holidays, stuff like that. But then March was a great month. So it depends on your risk management as well, right? And what lots you're trading and what percentage trading. Say if you're trading 1%, it's like typically 5 to 10. Like if I scalp, let's say 20, 30 pips on gold, that's going to be around 1 to 2%. I try and get like at least 60 a week maybe. Last week we had 20 pips on euro yen, 15 on gold, and then 20 on gold. So 3 back-to-back winners yesterday in terms of percentage would have been like around, sorry, not yesterday, last week would have been around like 5%, 5-6% last week. And that was like the end of April. Look at this gold, still pushing higher. Still pushing. How's this 15 just closed on GJ? GJ. See, it's now hovering at this level. What would stops me if we were to take GJ flips on this current? Because we haven't liquidated any highs. So I'd probably have to have stops here, which is quite big. How's this hourly looking on GJ? 30's not looking that great, is it? 15. Yeah, I want to monitor. Look at that gold. So gold ripping. Nah, let's keep it on GJ now. For people who are asking about EU as well, I don't trade it, but if you guys are trading it, this is what I'm saying is a retail trap. Anyone trying to short EU right now, and then we're going to liquidate this high. So we've got stops somewhere sitting just above here. We're going to grab these highs before potentially going lower. Yeah, look at that hourly now on gold. Looked incredibly bearish, really nice. Body closures below this level, now back above. So if you close bullish, the next hourly creates that bottom wick. You still could have 30 pips into highs, which isn't a bad play. I'm gonna watch GJ for some flips though. We just liquidated the previous 5-minute low. My only concern is stops are relatively large. Ideally, I'd want a little closure below this little minor level. Yeah. I'm gonna wait for a 15 closure on GJ. I'm gonna get a little sandwich. Was it good? Oh, will you grab it, please? Oh, that's right. Sorry. Thank you. Can I get the chicken avocado sandwich, please?
Sorry for now. Chicken fillet, yes.
Oh, okay. Let me see what else.
You can change for bacon. I can make for you chicken overload, but no chicken change bacon.
Yeah, all right then. Yeah,
I
okay.
can make.
Yeah, all right. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, Angel, what was that? What pair was that? That was very nice. That was very, very nice. EU. Ooh, nice. Let me take a look. Yeah, very nice. Long and up into that resistance. If anyone on YouTube, Angel just shared this setup, looking like this. Yeah, very nice, man. Playing it up into that retail trap up there. That's kind of what I'm looking for now on kind of GJ. Wicking out some lows, 5 stops above, this high here, stops below. You got a 5 pip stop loss, 16 pip target, a nice 1 to 3. It was a very, very nice catch, man. Very nice catch. I'd hold it up into these highs because anyone trying to short is doing this. So you've liquidated the lows, you got that run up. So anyone trying to short is getting stopped, whereas you're running some beautiful longs. So that was a very, very nice play. Very, very nice. Look at that Goldie now. Goldie ripping. No, no entry to go long. No entry to go long. The range is too small to want to long it. And the 5-minute hadn't broken above this level, so this is the only closure. And it's still only 9 pips, so. GJ, yeah. What's that? No, it's not even London Open. Yeah, we got time, man. We got time. We got time. What's the main tell that a liquidity grab can happen, like a specific candle? No, I'm also just price grabbing double tops and double bottoms, and price will always grab a significant high before having to move back down. Like you look at this before this huge move back down. What do? We grab some highs, push back down. Look at this here. You have this resistance. Retail traders look at this as like a level of resistance here. All retail traders are trying to short like this, but they stop above that previous high, looking for this huge play down. What does price do? Stops them all out, and then has the real move. So same as this continuation, lots of retail traders will now be looking at this, typical retail breaks and retests, textbook stuff. It just doesn't work. Looking for this, like this, and then before they get stopped. Look at this. Before this huge move up, what do? We grabbed the lows, we ripped higher. Grabbed all of this support like this. Anyone who was going long here of this rejection stops, somewhere just below the support. Grab the lows, big push up. Same as this on gold. Got a 5-minute on gold. This here, look at this. People seeing this rejection here, seeing this support, whether they have their stops, they have their stop above the previous high, like this, looking for this huge play down. They think they're running nicely. Price stops them out, literally to the pip, straight back down. If GJ can sweep those lows first, yeah, maybe. I kind of like that GJ has already grabbed these lows like this. We've wicked out them lows. Having that nice push up. Yeah, 170. Yeah, 170. I like that. Yeah, I need a nice strong 15 on GJ. Um, I'm out, man. Have a great day. Waiting for the vlogs. Appreciate it, Rami. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Enjoy the rest of your day. Um, Antonio, so focus on double tops and price grabs. Basically, determine it through. There were some extra steps. Yeah, pretty much, man. There's more that goes into liquidity grabs than that, but that's kind of like the foundations behind most of the trades. Waiting for them liquidity grabs and stop hunts. Excuse me, and then boom, taking a move. And that's the reason I'm trying to look for shorts on gold, because gold's not liquidating any lows before having to move back up. Even these lows, gold didn't grab these lows. So I think at some point today, whether it happens in London or happens later in the US, I think we're going to grab these before then going higher. Yeah. So the grab on EU at the bottom, you could enter after the wick below, even though you got stopped. Now you still have to wait for the closure above, because if you don't wait for the closure above, then you don't know if it's a break and retest before going lower. So until price closes back above this level, to be fair, yeah, you could argue, that would have been a valid stop loss. Like, say if you did take this loss like this, as like a double liquidity grab, yeah, that's one of them times where you just will get stopped. Grab the lows, broke above, then grab the lows again, but then you just do the exact same thing again. Once price closes back above, you do the exact same thing. You take the same setup, then you make back your loss and more. Sometimes you still get manipulation like that, unless that turned out to be like a double bottom elsewhere. So if you put it on like this, if that was, let me just go on the hourly. Just kind of, do we grab these lows now? Kind of double bottom there. Yeah, that was a valid place where if you did get that, you did take the loss there. We came to grab the lows again. That's just part of the game. But yeah, that would have been a very valid place. We've got 5 more minutes till this hourly in London open now. But that's the main thing, though. You don't want to predict liquidity grabs. You have to wait for the closures back above. Otherwise, it could just be a break and retest to go lower, right? You never know if it's a liquidity grab. Like on EU, the second that it, there we go to 15. Second that it grabs this high doesn't mean you instantly start shorting. It's just a place where you could start to consider that all retails are probably going to get stopped there before going low. You still have to wait for the closures. And that was a very, very nice play up by Angel there. Very, very nice. Look at that. Liquidated the lows. Strong push all the way back up. That's a really big stop hunt. So you take the break of that high. Stops below the liquidity grab, you've just hit a 1 to 2. Really, really nice. Are you into GJ? Not yet. Not until the 15 closes. The 15 can break 170, then amazing. Or if this 15 can, start to flip bullish in the next 3 minutes, then yeah, I'll look for a really nice drive. If this 15 can come back up to here, you got 30 pips, and I think GJ can come and retest around 172, 1712. 100 pips. We've got that London open in 2 minutes as well. Look at this hourly on gold. So I have to be careful with gold today. Hourly's back in the hourly range. Just bring this up a bit down. Just get rid of these levels. Let's keep this clean. Yep. How many pips is this range? 30. Oh, it's hot, man. I need to swim after this. I need to make my pippies, then I need to go swim. Nah, we could go for a little dip in this. Maybe go see what the beach. Let me see what the beach is like. Or we go drive somewhere. Go drive to a little beach. Actually, looks pretty nice. Hmm. Yeah, a little swim in the sea would be nice. But I got bank to make first. You got to make that bank. Yeah, I can't. I've just ordered more food, but I can't pay for the food until I make this bread. Until I make bank, I'm sorry, love. But I can't pay. Threw my money back at me. All right, we just had the hourly close across. Hourly on GJ still bearish. EU, I don't trade it. Goldie is broken back bullish again. Look at this. Bearish broke the level, now breaking back above. I'm more interested in GJ, to be honest. I'm more interested in GJ. Yeah. I still need a nice, if GJ can give me a nice closure above here, then I'll take the little retest and then boom, flip up. Simple as that. That's all we need. Need that closure, and then amazing. You can take the trade. YouTube fam, drop a little like for the stream. Feel free to ask over any questions whilst we wait. I enjoy banging call, man. Look at that. EU with the bang. Banger. Great trade, man. Great trade. No, I didn't see the signal. GJ offering better bang for buck, in my opinion. Yeah, I kind of agree with you, man. I'm very skeptical with trading gold before FOMC. That's why I just kind of wanted to take like a little intraday 20-30 pip scalp before that FOMC later on. But yeah, I agree with you now. Now that gold has broken back and now hovering this resistance, it's where it kind of gets to a level where it's not even interesting for me, because if we rip these highs, you've only got 10 pips and stop loss has to be huge. If we get closure here, then amazing. Maybe then we could take it higher. But yeah, I agree. I think GJ gives a lot more potential. As soon as we get that closure above, I think you could. I really think we get a really nice retracement. Even just up into here, you've got 90 pips. Come and retest some of these levels, then 80 pips. And I wouldn't even hold it that high. I would, start as soon as we start to even here, 50. Even up into, here, 30, 40, 50 pips. I'll be a very, very happy man. How's the 30 looking? 30, yeah, 30 after 30. Looks like I'm going to grab this little resistance here, 50 pips. I just need that closure. As soon as we get that closure above, then boom. Yes, thank you. Thank you. Who's man? About EJ, let's not ignore EJ because EJ is a nice one as well. Levels on EJ, kind of got this nice support. We grab this support. Again, we have this miniature level that we are still respecting here. Look at all these wicks. And if we do get a nice drive on EJ, Then we have the potential to come all the way back up here, which from this level is 60 pips. So yen pairs are starting to shape up nicely. We just need them closures. GJ. All right, let's wait. As soon as we get this closure above on GJ, longs to the moon. Yeah, as soon as we get a nice closure. Vivian, good morning, man. Good to have you on the stream. Good to have you here. Oh, man. Yeah. As soon as we get that, yeah, look at that 5. That's the thing. The whole sentiment could be waiting for this FOMC tonight. Hi guys, when you enter on GJ, not yet. As soon as the 15 closes above this level, I'm going to be looking for some longs. But I have to get that 15 closure. As soon as we get that, I'll look to take it. Yo. Gold is slow. Might have to go for that. Yeah, not a bad shot, man. Gold is going to be slow. With FOMC, gold's going to be very, very tricky today. Everything is ready, to be honest. It's going to be a big day. It's just asleep. He doesn't trade. No. No, man, I am absolutely roasting sitting here. I may have to go inside soon. Yeah. Gold, what are you doing, gold? Yeah. Just grabbing the previous lows. Yeah. Oh, look at that 5. Holy. Oh, EU's about to type on highs. Gold on the 15. Still coming lower. This is where gold starts to get a bit tricky in this level. 20 pip range on gold, so it starts to get tricky. If I trade ranges on gold, it has to be minimum 30 pips. Yeah. Yeah, it doesn't want to break the lows, doesn't want to break the highs. I don't think we have news. Do we have news tomorrow? I don't think so. Nothing. I think there's a little bit, but nothing as big as FOMC, and you got NFP on Friday as well. Yeah, so you got FOMC at 7 tonight, and then tomorrow there's some Euro news. Could give us some London volume, and you got USD unemployment claims at 1:30. And then on Friday we have NFP. Full margin buy stops and stealth stops on NFP today, and FOMC, sorry, today. Oh man, I'm roasting. Just hoping to see some London Open volume. We're only 10 minutes into London Open, so we got time. We got time. How long have we been on stream? We've always been on stream for 2 hours. So far, one break even. You going? Alright, man, have a good one. Huh? Bacon and avocado. Huh? Happy? You'll say hello to YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
You made bank today?
A couple of things are looking good, but I'm just looking to
Nice, man, nice. You gonna go to the beach after or something?
Yeah, nice. Yeah, we can do.
You go for a little swim?
Yeah. I'm just going to look at a couple of shops now.
Alright, man, have a good one.
10 minutes. Short Bitcoin? Yeah, I want to see Bitcoin go down. As soon as gold broke back above 30k, everyone started like freaking out, like, oh my god, gold's broken back above 30k. Well, we have not broken above it yet. It's just the very, very key level that could give us a deep pullback on gold. On Bitcoin. We don't like Bitcoin. That's when everyone gets angry. That's why the little emoji's there. When Bitcoin goes back to 10k, that's when everyone starts crying. This is everyone else. Whereas this yeah, this is me. This is everyone else. Yeah. GJ back down. Stuck in the range. There's a loads of tables inside. I'm up to go inside. I'm just fucking absolutely sweating. No, I need it. Let me just. Yeah, I'm gonna have to join you. Let me just put this. I'll just leave this here, sir. I want to come inside. And this lady's gonna panic and think I'm leaving because I haven't made any tips on gold today. I'm not leaving yet, I swear. I have to go inside. I've not made any pips. So I'm doing a runner. Mhm. Send it on Zoom, man. Send it on Zoom. I don't send it on YouTube. Where should I go? I'll go here. I'll go here. Yeah, good. Thanks, man. We're in Koh Samui, man. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice. It is nice. Um, yeah. We just want. We just. Um, what news do you focus on for gold, like USD news? Yeah, a lot of high impact news. Even if it's not just US dollar news, because if you have big yen news as well, then you get that yen and USD correlation as well. So all big high impact news, especially all that FOMC today, NFP, rate hikes even for the Australian dollar and gold is still a big correlation. Um, so USD news is the one that I'll kind of stay away from the most because that will have the highest impact. But I'm always wary of like majority of news on gold. Are you using buy stops when you execute trades? Yeah, buy stops and sell stops. Because if it doesn't break the levels and I don't get triggered, then I don't take the loss. Like if you're trying to short gold today because it broke that level and retested, if you try to take breaks and retests, then you just take losses. Whereas if I have like like on this one, that self stop below there, stops there, if it doesn't break the low, then I don't take the trade and I don't take the loss. Let me look at your gold. Looking for potential shorts on gold. Yeah, possible. That's what I was kind of looking at as well. Oh, oh, yeah. How's that? 30 just grabbed some lows on GJ. If we get a nice closure here, I'm going to look for some longs. 2 more minutes this about to close. But yeah, on Goldie, I'm not trading gold anywhere in this range. Because if you take gold breaking this support, then you're straight back into next level here, which is a 8 pip range. If gold can close back below this level that we have, then amazing. I'll take it from there. Or if we break back above, I'll take it to the highs. But as long as gold trades in pretty much just any of this, I'm going to touch gold. Let's see how long we got. We got 10 more minutes till this 15 is going to close, and this 5 is going to close in a couple of seconds. Oh, Yeah, if we get strong 5 close back above this resistance, I'm gonna look some long some GJ. Let me just get that drawn up just in case. On gold, sorry, on GJ. Just if the next one comes to create like a bottom wick, then I'd have it at the top. Like if it closes like this, then I want the next 5 minutes to come down, and I'd have it like this. But that 5 minutes still respecting that resistance. Yeah, so I'd wait for like the break and retest, but I wouldn't take the retest. I'd wait for the break of the highs, and you get the nice bounce and volume. I just want to see a nice closure. As soon as it closes above this level, then I would have the buy stop in. So as long as it just keeps, but if it doesn't close above the high, then I would cut it. But yeah, I'd have the buy stop in as soon as the 5 minutes closes above 5 or 15 on this one. Yeah, 5 or 15 for this one. Um, um, where are we going? Do you enter at market or wait for the retest? Yeah, I'll wait for the retest and I'll take the bounce. I won't take the retest entry, I'll take the bounce. So as soon as we get a closure here on GJ, I'm going to look to take it much higher. I don't like that it came straight back to that level again, but it is a nice little miniature head and shoulders there. As soon as we get this closure, I'm going to take it up to here. EJ took the lows. Ooh, nice. Let me see. Oh, yeah, look at that on EJ. Much nicer. Wicked all the lows. Very nice spot. Very, very nice spot. How many pips does EJ have to here? Yeah, GJ has much more pips on the table. But the fact that EJ still done it is that nice correlation now as well, though. As soon as this 5 closes on GJ, I'm going to be looking for longs. Stop will be below here at 169.768 ish. Yeah, it's looking good. As soon as we get the closure. Take it easy, Kane. Talk to you soon, man. Be back on tomorrow. Stops will be something like this. Yeah. 30, yeah, this 30 is looking to be real nice. Yeah. Which is your stop loss? Stop loss will be below the previous 30. Because if we re-break the 30 low that's liquidated the previous 30, then I don't want to be in the trade. So it makes sense to have it below there. Just see how this 5 is going to close. Stop loss now is around 35 pips, which is quite big. So I would use, let's see. Yeah, I'd use half lots, otherwise that would just be an insane loss. if it was to go down, or I would use percent risk. A shitter entry. No, I get much. Yeah, I get much better entries with my buy stops. Whereas if I take like execution, then if you take retest, it gets stopped out so often. Whereas if you get buy stops a good volume, you literally, but for the most part, sit in like no drawdown. You can see now this is closed strong, finally broken above the level, so I need it to pull back down now, because now this is just turned into a 40 pip stop loss, which is just huge. Buy limit is when it like, so you could have like a, if you had a buy limit, it would, your anticipate is going to come down, tag you in, and then go. Retest on 170. Yeah, possible, if it can now come back down. How's EJ? Is EJ looking a little bit cleaner? Would you have entered that gold short that happened right now? No, not at all. I won't trade gold until it breaks out this range. Like I said, if it breaks this support, then I'll consider it. But it's just stuck in this range. Only until we get that 30 closure out of this range will I then consider shorts. Because it looks like it's pushing now, but you never know. This could wick back up. Or if we do close, amazing. Then we get the next 30 top wick, and I'll take gold down as well. But we're seeing some good volume now, which is nice. This is what we need. Yeah, gold could be shaping up soon. As soon as we get a closure out of this mess. Gold is still just rangy. How's the owlie looking on gold? Messy, man. Messy. This is looking good. I like this now. How's this 15 looking? Real nice. Real nice. 2 more minutes. It depends where the entry is, man. It's going to be pretty big, so I'm not overly keen on it. It'd be like 40, which is very, very big. But I have to see how it's going to close first. You got a little creating some little trend line liquidity here as well. That's all right, man. I would like it to create more price action so I can get a nicer stop loss, do something like this before then, and I can have stops like here instead. Not yet. I needed to pull down more. I mean, you can, but then like stops is going to be huge. So it's like 40 pip stop for like 40 pip target is a bit of a shit risk reward. I'm coming into the last 30, so you could close like this, and then 30 could then come down and create a bottom wick, and you could go sit and draw down before then it's going to come up. So I'm pretty much just waiting for this 30 close now, because if 30 is closed strong, then the 30 needs to come down and create a little bottom wick, and then I'll do it, and then I can have a tighter stop. Yeah, pretty much, man. Soon as this 30 closes, as soon as this 30 closes and then creates a bottom. Yeah, it's much better, man. Same as like I was looking at these sells on gold before. I had a sell stop in. Where did we have our second one in? Like here. I had a sell stop in like this, but it kept running higher. But if you're trying to take retest entries, you're just going straight to stop loss. Oh, see, now we just had that 30 close. So as soon as gold comes up to create a top wick, I will look for the sell. Same as GJ. As soon as GJ comes, even retest this level, I'm going to look for longs. Yeah, this is only the first confirmation on gold now. Now that we've actually broken that support. Soon as gold pulls back, I'm going to look for short. Same as GJ. Let me see how EJ is looking. I don't want to miss EJ either. 30. Yeah, 30 needs to give me a nice little bottom wick now. As soon as we start to find a little resistance here, find a little bit of profit taken, should give us a little pullback, so then boom. Yeah, if it keeps running, it keeps running. I need them 5-minute liquidity grabs. What's my say, EJ or GJ? GJ. Let me set an alert here. Let me set an alert on EJ and watch GJ. As soon as EJ grabs his previous 5-minute low, I will consider longs. Same on GJ. Yeah, see? You try to chase gold, now it's wicking back up after just grabbing this little double bottom. As soon as it pulls up, I'll still look for some shorts. I still think we get a nice... And if you look at the hourly on gold as well, it's still, in this range, close bullish. If it starts to flip bearish again, I really want to short it down into these lows. See, now this 5 minutes starting to come up. Now that we have left that bottom wick, if we re-break this low, then you might have a nice push. Stop this loss would have to be something like this. Playing it down into them hourly lows. What would that be? 26 pips? Let me charge my headphones. Yeah. As soon as this comes down, that's something like that on EJ. Yeah, nice. Euro USD. Look at that. See, like we said earlier in the stream, anyone trying to short EU getting stopped out right now. For the people who are early on in the stream, it's exactly the reason that why you don't trade resistance and double tops. Anyone trying to short EU is now getting stopped out. So that is very nice to see. Although we haven't jumped in the trade, we also haven't taken a loss. It looks like this is the first sign of volume since 3 a.m. London time. It's the only sign of volume. Very good. Got in on EJ. Oh, nice, man. Nice. Let me see EJ. I'm watching EJ. As soon as EJ pushes down, I'm going to look for some juicy longs. Give me a little boom, boom. And as soon as gold grabs some highs, I will sell Goldie as well. 15. Knock up on EJ. I think we might. I think the 30 needs to create a little bottom wick. There's EJ. Let me see. 30. It's pushing nice. Let's see. 15. Just grab the lows. I would like to see a little 5-minute liquidity grab of a previous low. I want to see a little spike down and a push up. One at long gold has just grabbed the lows because it's just the 30 minutes just flipped bearish. 30 minutes just flipped incredibly bearish. So the long right now is just trying to predict too much. Just had a 30 pip push flip, and it's going to close back in this range. And this is the range where I won't trade it because it's just sideways price action and no volume. But the fact that this has just flipped so bearish is a no go for me. No go for me. EJ? Oh, yeah. Push down a little bit more. Just left a little double top there, which is what we want. This can push down a little bit more. Yeah. GJ coming back down as well. This is what we need. So I could take GJ on the break at this time. Stops would be 30 pips. Looking for... Oh yeah, all the alerts are going off now. Look at this. Gold, not yet. I'm gonna if this looks like it's gonna start to reject, I'm gonna put this buy stop in on gold. Sorry, GJ. As you can see now that I prefer GJ. I think. Well, I don't know. Both are nice. Yeah, both are nice. Let's see. As soon as this starts to show like we're gonna start to reject, the buys are going in. YouTube fan, remember drop a little like for the stream. Been on stream for 2 hours and 10 minutes, longer than usual, but we're getting some good volume, so I want to catch a nice position with you guys this morning. Yeah, yeah. I can't leave until I make that bang. And if my laptop dies, then I got to lag it. I'm gonna have to scalp on the phone. Yeah, yeah. Look at that on EJ flipping back bearish now. Oh, look at that. Look at GJ. Yeah, GJ pushing lower. This is why I'm not taking retest entries like this, because I'll be just sitting in drawdown. If it doesn't break the highs, then I'm not interested. You guys shooting? Please do. Yeah, that's why I didn't, man. That's why I didn't take this one, because I know that it has to be down here, and it's just not worth it for me. So I need it to create more price action, and I know that the 30 has to come and retest these highs before we go up. So that's why I let it create more space, and then if this starts to reject, then I can just do something like this instead. And if that doesn't flip bullish, then I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Goldie, yeah, exactly. Goldie's, look at that. Gold's about to close back in the range. If GJ closes bearish on the 5-minute, I'm getting close to potentially calling it a sesh, because we're just closing above, below, above, below. Look at this hourly on GJ as well. Hourly is still bearish. With FOMC later, that's why you have to be very, very cautious. Are you entering on GJ? Nope. Hasn't broken higher. If this candle was going to start to reject, I would consider it. But no, if GJ closes back below this level, then we're just stuck straight back into this range, which is unfortunate because we were looking like we are going to get some good volume. But hey, we can't control the markets. We can just react to it, and we can't react to price breaking above and below in ranges. So as soon as GJ closes back below into here on like the 15, then we will see how it's going to go. GJ playing weird. Yeah, the whole market's going to be weird today, guys. You just got to be a little bit patient. You know, with FOMC, the markets are going to be quiet. You know, you got so many levels on GJ. Look at this. Yeah. Yeah, if this 15 can start to reject and, you know, still flip up, I'm still going to consider it because the 15's broken above. And we have to come back down and retest these before going higher. So we got 5 more minutes till this 15 is going to go, and this is going to be the decider for me. Only real nice mover today was EU, longs up into these highs, so good job, Angel, for catching that. Retail's got a bit trapped on EJ today. Sorry, EU, which is nice. Goldie. Goldie still could be nice. 5 minutes, still breaking above. Broke back above, rejecting, now pushing back down. 30 on gold. Yeah, 30 still nice on gold. 30's closed bearish, just come up for a top wick on this current 30. So if we can re-break the low, Goldie could see a nice push. Yeah, needs a closure. Needs a closure. I'm not putting this in yet. If it pushes, it pushes. I'm not putting this in yet. Price is still respecting the support. Until I get a nice strong close, only then will I consider it. And if this closes bearish and then the next 5 creates a top wick, then I'm going to have a nice tighter stop like this. Playing it down into these lows here. GJ, yeah, GJ closed back bearish. I'm going to set a lot here. I'm not interested in GJ till it re-breaks this high. If it trades back in this level, like this, I am not interested. We've gone from GJ looking nice to gold looking nice to straight back to gold. Yeah, look at that. Gold's just pushing, no entry. If this 5 minute closes like this, if only then we can come up and create a top wick, then will I consider it. I'm not chasing this. And we've got 2 more minutes. This is going to close. Give us a nice strong bearish close, and I will look for a lovely 20-30 pip short, please, sir. Give me a nice close. No. Nah, yeah, we can. We should agree on a price before we go back. No, I was just talking to Mark. Look at this on gold now. Leaving this wick. If gold starts to reject like this in the next 1 minute, I'm probably going to call it a stream. I'm off. Take it easy, Michael. See you again tomorrow, man. Same time again tomorrow. Gold in? Nope. Not gold in yet. As soon as, if gold closes with a nice body, I'll take the wick and I'll take it down into these lows. But I need a nice strong body because this is the last 5 of the 15. And if this 5 leaves this wick, then the 15 is going to be closing doji. See? Like this. Yeah, nice. You boy. Yeah, I think got one more minute. It's got 1 minute to give us a nice strong close. Look at that on GJ, back within the range. Yeah, look at this. This is anyone trying to chase gold. You see, you think it's looking bearish, you try to chase it, you're straight into drawdown. That's why we have to wait for them closures. It's got so many levels. 30 seconds though. You know what, gold likes that. Them last couple of seconds before having that flip. Can you guys still hear me? Oh. No, sorry, my headphones died. I just took one out, plugged the other one in. We're all good. We're all good. 4 more seconds. GJ, look at GJ. Oh my days. Imagine chasing that. You are getting wiped out on GJ today. Oh my god. Alright, give me. Yeah, now look at that 5. Look at that 15 back on gold. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it a stream there. Nothing's jumping out for me. Price is just. Since we have jumped on the stream, price has done absolutely nothing, unfortunately. So I'm personally going to call it there and come back later for FOMC later on, see what the markets are saying then. For you guys on Zoom, we'll go live same time again tomorrow for 2 hours. Trades on London again tomorrow. For you guys on YouTube, I'll be back on stream again on Friday. Same time again, Friday, London session. Get some pre-NFP scalps. But yeah, GJ's breaking out, closing straight back below. GJ is straight back to where we started from the very first start of the stream. And gold is just, trying to break support, but leaving these wicks, closing back bullish. So there's nothing jumping out for me. So yeah, I'll let you guys go. Appreciate you guys taking time to tune in on YouTube. And for you guys on Zoom, I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. And we'll look to catch some pippies. And I'll even be in Discord later on for the US session. All right, boys. Take it easy, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye.